Hi everyone, in this quick video I just wanted to show you my modded Sailfly-X with this custom canopy to include the Happymodel Diamond VTX. I wanted to add a DVR, like an onboard DVR to my quad. I really like the way it looks. It reminds me one of those stealth airplane, all like angular and black. I will put the link in the description if someone wants to print this canopy themselves. There's a cutout for the USB. Yeah, it's pretty simple, but it looks really slick. The camera sticks out a little bit. It can be modified to be a little bit more protected. So as you can see, it's covering the whole electronic parts, and it's held together with a couple of zip ties. Maybe I'm not super happy with this ridge here when I put the zip tie. I might do maybe a version that it's closed and it has like a hole, so it has like a pass-through instead of this cut here. So far I didn't have any problem though, so maybe it's gonna be okay. Let me show you what's inside here. Alright, so if I lift this, so the camera is a Caddx, I don't know if you can see it, the camera is a Caddx EOS 2, I believe. This is the flight controller that comes with the Sailfly-X, and as you can see on the bottom there is the memory card slot, and you can kind of see in there that there is the VTX, the diamond shaped VTX right there. So you got this is the recording button, and this is the button to change the channel and all that stuff. So basically you just slide the canopy on top of everything, make sure that the cables of the motors are inside like so, and that's pretty much it. And then you just put zip ties here and here, and you tie them with the bottom of the frame here, so they don't so the canopy is not gonna fall out. So let's check out the weight, and I would say that this is okay. So yeah, for about 42.8 grams. This is the Mobula 7 HD. This one is 49 grams, so this one is pretty heavy. This comes with the Sailfly-X. Yeah, as you can see, I have a bunch of these batteries. I can get about, with one of these I can get about 3.5 to almost 4 minutes of flights, depending on how aggressive I'm flying. So yeah, this was just a quick look, and I'm gonna show you the flight footage that I recorded today. It was very windy, so there's gonna be a little bit of vibration, but that is not the quad, that was just because it was so windy. And I'm gonna put the links in the description of all the parts, as well as the canopy if you want to print it yourself. And I'll see you guys in the next one.